What is the purpose of this channel? I need your help to find that out. Hey, Steve from YOUvolution Learning, and if this is your first time here and you're an AAT student working on your revision, why don't you hit subscribe and that notification button so you don't miss out on any of these useful AAT revision videos. So, I need some help. I've been working on something in the background that's going to really help students in their revision stage of their AAT exams. But because I've been doing that, I've not been able to do any of the blogs and resources and videos that I've done this year. So I think it's been March was my last video that I managed to do. And that's getting to me a little bit. The whole purpose of this YouTube channel and my website is to help students master the concepts in the AAT and become successful in those exams. Now I still try and do that a little bit by going into the AAT Students Independent group on Facebook. As you know, if you're a member of that, you'll see me popping up every now and again with a little bit of help and advice. If you're not a member of that group, I've put a link below for you, and you're studying AAT, I've put a link below. I would strongly advise that you sign up for that group. It's full of brilliant students like yourself, all willing to help one another out, and tutors like myself are on there as well, trying to help as many students as we possibly can. But I want to help students even more. Now, up these sleeves of mine, there's a decade worth of hints and tips and methods and advice and guidance that I want to share with students beyond my normal reach. So this channel is for you, and I want you guys to help me to mould this channel into something that you guys will see really useful. So some of the things I'm thinking that might be useful could be working through the examiner's reports, for example, and giving you my thoughts and advice and putting those into context for you. It could be general revision hints and tips that I've used over the years and that could help you guys make sure you're more effective and proactive in your revision. Or it could be like my blogs and videos have been so far, looking at specific exam style questions and talking about some of the methods and concepts and principles that I've used over the years to try and help students be successful in those exams. So to help me, if you put in the comments below what you would like to see from this channel, what would you find being most useful to help you be successful in your exams? Where do you need the most help? So if you can let me know in the comments below, and I'll be sure to respond to each of those and pick whichever one of the most popular, and that's where we'll start. And let's make this channel the go-to place for AAT revision hints and tips. So thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and I look forward to helping you on your AAT revision journey. I'll see you soon.